Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, or whenever you are watching this video. We are the Ladies of Tech with Kingdom Tech, and we wanted to come on and introduce ourselves. My name is Ereka.
My name is Kujuria.
And I'm Cathy.
And together, like I said, we make up the Ladies of Tech of Kingdom Tech. And what we get to do is a lot of different things, but we are most excited about launching this year our web series, our webinar series, our workshop series, and all the different kind of things. We have one coming up this Sunday. It's called Amplifying Voices with Technology. And we just wanted to have a quick conversation about who is this workshop for? Who should be here on Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time?
And for those of you who are wondering, like 5 p.m. Eastern Time, that's also 4 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Mountain. I believe it's 2 p.m. Pacific. Go get your time. Set your alarm now. Sunday will be here before you know it.
And you do want to go to kingdomtech.com in order to register. That's Kingdom TECK.com. Now let's talk about how did we get the Kingdom TECK?
That's right. Because y'all know that's swanky. T-Tech.
Kujuria, we're gonna start with you because we know that you started this train moving. So
this was a whole God movement. So God, the board, which we call Holy Spirit, God and Jesus, we talk. And when we're talking, he was like, hey, they were like, hey, we need to bridge the gap. And I need you to bring some sisters that know technology and know design and know branding. And we're going to come as a force to bridge the gap. And so one of the things about Kingdom Tech is that we understand the frustrations. We understand tech. We speak tech. We understand programs, systems. We understand AI. We understand Google and Kartra and all these different programs are coming up. But we do also understand that there's a huge gap and frustration for business owners that are in the kingdom and individuals that are not even business owners, but they need to know what is happening with technology, not to be fearful, because our biggest goal is seeking heaven to understand what was the original intent for technology in the kingdom. And God does not give us fear. So we're here to bridge the gap for you to truly understand your identity in the kingdom with technology.
I know when I got the call or the text message and was like, hey, sister, has God been talking to you about a technology company? Or I can't remember the exact way she put it, but I was like, get out my business. Because I was in a place in my own personal business where it was becoming a lot to try to maintain. And not because I had like this onslaught of clients, it was just figuring out and getting clear on the direction. And I was getting this sense that I was supposed to dissolve the business that I was currently running and how I was running it. And I'm like, okay, if we do that, then what we gonna do? So I believe it was December of 2023, KB. When she sent the text message, and I was like, say on, KB, say on. And so it was a beautiful way that we all came together because we were all working together in some capacity. We were familiar with each other. Kjo and I had met on a few occasions and we collaborated on a lot of different things. And so when I found out that she was in the mix, I was like, oh, this, in her words, this about to be real swanky if Kjo involved. Baby, she don't do nothing regular. Nothing. So I was excited. Yes. So when it all came together and then when we were collaborating around the name, it was like, yep. It's making
Yeah.
sense now. It's making sense.
Yeah. And so to piggyback on Ereka just put me on blast and I don't do anything on just regular. I get it from my daddy. See, because if my hands are an extension of this majestic creativity, you know, and we already see how he created the world, the whole universe. It's beautiful. Why could I show up anything less than my father? So the swankiness, I got it from my daddy. I got it from, I can't help myself. That's who I be. And so for those who wondering about who should be at the, Sunday's workshop, Sunday's gathering, it's you. If you see this, it's you. Don't even need to make a disclaimer. But if I had to, those who are really seeking something different, something peculiar, of a distinct sound, because many of us, we've attended so many master classes, we've been in so many workshops, so many free, you know, um, workshops or webinars, and each one promises, I'm going to give you all 100 steps in 30 minutes. I'm going to show you the exact blueprint that I did to make 1,2,999,015 cents. And you can't do all that in 30 minutes. So if
Yeah.
you're tired of being hoodwinked and you really want authenticity, because we all know them, we literally go to bat for you and on behalf of you to
Mhm.
see, what does God say about you? What does heaven say about you? And that's different in itself, because we just don't do things happenstance. We really seek an answer for you on your behalf. And for me to answer, let me just pause right here. And since I'm the third leg in this equation, now I'm the builder of the bunch. When Kujuria came to me, see, she got this kind of way. It's not a sneaky sense, but it's almost like how she asks you stuff. She also telling you stuff. So it's not really like an ask. It's just almost like, sign here. Go ahead. Just sign right there. I'll send you your documents in the mail. Just sign right there. But we had also, because we were meeting, she was really helpful. When I tell you a heart of gold, a true heart of gold, and so that same heart of gold is right here in Kingdom Tech. So you'll get to experience some of it too. But he was already helping me with some strategies I needed in building um, a tech company. And with that, and then for her to circle back to where she had received a word that she needed to come to me, like ask and tell me at the same time. Um, I couldn't say but yes. Even though while I'm still building, I had to say yes, because Kingdom Tech, I realized this is my heart work. This is my heart work. We were created for this, to help
Mhm.
fill the gap, to help those who been in positions like ourselves. But we're tired of it. We're tired of the lies in the marketplace. We're tired of um, just living a false lifestyle that our daddy probably looking at her like, where you get that from? I didn't raise you like that. I didn't create you like that. But we don't even take a moment to just sit and wait and seek. We just go on. Somebody come tell us something. Yep, that's me. I'm ready. And we in 10, 15 different master classes and we still confused. So,
So I think that, like, first of all, thank y'all both. I don't even know how to
mhm.
like, I got it, but then. Um, so the awesome part about, I think, us coming together is understanding at the same time God was preparing us to dissolve a business or take those businesses and combine them. And so we're all tech in some type of way, but we're all like, I do a lot of the marketing and the strategy and the sometimes organization, but we come together, and Ereka is like the tech support solutionist. Like anything tech, she's gonna know. Now she can do them websites, and it's not gonna look like an ordinary website. Like it's gonna look luxury, top notch, right? And then you got Kajo, everything she touched. Do you hear me? She said everything she touches. And so when you put that together and you put a company together that's not just tech, we're co-creators with heaven, and you put us together, and we're also inviting you from not having fear and being overwhelming, but also creating your business so that it is repeating and being a resemblance of what heaven desires on the earth. It's not just a website. It's not just your social media. No, when people see you and you show up, when you're being visible, you are representing the kingdom. So that comes out in your business. That comes out in who you are. We had authors, we've had speakers that we've worked with. We've had podcast hosts that we've worked with. We've worked with just various, just different business owners. But the main thing is that when people see you, you want them to see who you are on the inside and who God created you to be. I don't know about you, but I don't want a brand and it's out there. I don't want a business. I don't want whatever God has given me to not resemble me and the God in me. And so that's the component of, no, you're not just getting a regular service from us. You're not getting a regular workshop. No, this workshop is going to be tailored to what is heaven saying and how to help you get to your next. How to help you break away the fear or the anxiety, and to help you in your business, in just learning, period. And I think that's the beautiful part about it, is that Kajo said, is that this is hard work. We come together, we pray, we come together, and we're talking about how does the kingdom and tech merge, and how do we help the elderly? How do we help these business owners that are, how do we help? Because 5 years from now, we're doing a workshop to help you get prepared. 2 years, because that's how fast things are happening. And it's more in detail than you really need. And in order to prepare, you got to come to this workshop. You got to get involved. And that's what we're here for. Now, you ain't got to, but we would love for you to be there. Why? Because this is our heart work. This is our heart work. This is something that we are passionate about talking about. We're passionate about training your business, training your companies, training you. We're passionate about bridging the gap so that you are not on these streets, internet streets, YouTube streets, anybody streets in 1965. Okay? It's 2025.
Yeah.
Jerry curls are coming back, but tech has advanced, okay?
That's good stuff. That's good stuff. It's amazing the amount of people that I get to just meet on a regular basis, and they are comfortable at the bare minimum because of the fear of not knowing something. And our heart is to take away that fear, to remove the barrier between the tools that we believe God has made available, that they are here to advance the kingdom, but we're not using them because, one, we don't know how to use them. Two, we think they're evil. Like, whatever the thing is, I believe that technology is just like money. It's not good and it's not evil. It is neutral until the one who has it in their hand uses it.
Yes.
So if we want to make an impact on the kingdom, we want to scale business, we want to multiply all of the things that we know God has called us to do, then we have to partner with the things that he's made available for us. We have to remove the fear. We have to remove the doubt. We have to remove all of the different things that keep us from capitalizing on what is available, what has been made available to us, so that we can do exactly what God has shown us. All of us, we get visions, we get dreams, and God is like, bigger, go, like acceleration, all the things. Well, how are we going to do that? That's what Kingdom Tech comes in. And that's why we want to partner with you to help you get to where you need to be.
Like our main 3 pillars in Kingdom Tech is, you need to identify, amplify, and multiply. Now, to learn and to know how those are all interconnected, you need to come to Sunday's workshop. But my portion is the amplify. And one thing about amplifying is that in order to be amplified, you need an amplifier. That's where Kingdom Techs come in. So help us help you by joining and partnering with us to amplify, because we are plugged into the source, the amplifier, to where we can help you identify your sound and make some noise in this earth as whatever your assignment is. Because we've all heard too, like this year 2025, you join us and by the end your life will be so like unrecognizable. I want to know myself. I want to recognize me coming and going. I don't want that for me, because that's also given into the lies of, why would you want to be unrecognizable? You want to be so good and so on point and in alignment with who you be. You want everybody to know you. Oh, hey, that's K Joe. I don't want to, because if I'm unrecognizable, I'm still out of alignment. So come on, get in the vein, as we say. Get in the vein with us and be recognizable.
KB, did you want to say anything before we close out?
Oh, no, I would just say, follow us on this journey. We're on Instagram. We're on YouTube. Instagram, we are I am Kingdom Tech. We're on YouTube. We're on LinkedIn. Follow us on this journey, because you don't want to miss it. You do not want to miss what God is doing with us, through us, for the kingdom.
Absolutely. And this is just the first of many more workshops to come, many more different types of ways that you can connect with Kingdom Tech, many types of different ways that we are going to help you in the process of amplifying your voice with technology. So again, visit us on our website at www.kingdomteck, that's T for the Trinity, E for Ereka, C for Cathy, K for Kujuria.com. Register. And here's a special surprise. We do have some sponsored registrations available. We still have a few left. So it's on first come, first serve basis. DM us on any of our social platforms, and we will get you the code in order to register for free. Like I said, it's a limited amount, but we have them available. We don't want anything to be a barrier with you getting what you need to get in this season. So love y'all.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.